Right now, healthcare sentiment is sitting at minus 0.07, which is notably lower than our historical baseline. This suggests a cautious or negative outlook in the sector, especially given that momentum has remained flat at plus 0.00. What's particularly interesting is the presence of 17 semantic clusters, indicating diverse underlying themes driving this sentiment. Our API returns detailed insights about sentiment shifts, breaking down sentiment scores into meaningful categories. This can be crucial for applications that need to gauge public perception or monitor trends in healthcare discussions. For example, if you're developing a healthcare dashboard, you can leverage this data to alert users to potential issues, enabling them to respond proactively rather than reactively. For more information on how to integrate this into your project, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.